In this video, I want to talk to you today about why being remembered is so important. My name is Tracy Reuter, and I'm the CEO and founder of Divine Social, a Facebook and Instagram ad agency. And I'm also a contributing author to the #1 book on Facebook ads, The Ultimate Guide to Facebook Advertising. You can find me in chapters 26, 27, and 30. So you've probably heard the phrase, know, like, and trust, right? It goes something like this. People do business with people that they know, like, and trust. You see, for years, I ran a division of AT&T. I ran the sales group, and we always used to teach our team that. We'd say, of all things being equal, people are going to do business with people that they know, like, and trust. And so how do you constantly build up that know, like, and trust factor? It's super important. And in previous videos, I've talked about our 3 pillars to successful Facebook ads, our 3 pillars to successful selling. And that is a huge way for you to constantly build up the know, like, and trust factor, right? Especially when we talk about engagement campaigns. Very important. But you see, there's one missing thing to the know, like, and trust factor that I think is incredibly important, and it's remember. So think about this. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. But when it comes to that point, to that point of decision making, right? It's about who they remember. So let me give you this example, right? So know, like, trust, and remember. So for example, let's just say that you are a plumber, all right? We're good friends. You're a plumber. We've been friends for years. You do great work. I trust you. But most of the time, I don't need your services. I just don't, right? Hopefully, when you need a plumber, it's so funny. Where I'm doing this video from, like, we had 3 huge floods, right? You need a plumber when things flood, right? When pipes break and things happen, you need a plumber. And so if you think about it, when you have an emergency like that, you don't have a lot of time to stop and think. You have to take action, right? If you've got electrical equipment and you've got things and you need to make a decision quickly, you're gonna go with who you remember. So think about this. Let's just say you're my friend, right? You're the plumber. I have this flood. I have this emergency. It's the middle of the night, and you and I haven't seen each other for 6 months. But we're great friends. We just haven't seen each other. We haven't seen each other. We haven't talked. We haven't had anything. But in the meantime, this guy down the street, who I really don't know, I don't know if I like him or not because I really don't know him, and I can't say I trust him because I don't really know him, but he seems like a decent enough guy, and I constantly have flyers in my mailbox, and I have a magnet on my refrigerator that he put in my mailbox, and I've been getting his Facebook ads, and I've been seeing stuff in community message boards constantly. So when that 0 moment of decision comes, when I need help right now, who am I going to call? Am I going to call the person I know, like, and trust, but I forgot about? Or am I going to call the person that I know of, seems decent enough, I don't know if I trust them or not, but everybody else around me seems to, but sure as heck do I remember them. That's who I'm going to call. I'm going to call the person I remember. So what does this have to do with Facebook and Instagram ads? It does, trust me. You see, people do business with people they know, like, and trust, and remember when it's time to make the buying decision. And so how do you become the person that people know, like, and trust and remember so that when they're ready to buy, they buy from you? This is incredibly important. You do that by consistently getting valuable information in front of them, all right? And so we've talked with our 3-pillar strategy, with our audience building and our engagement campaigns and our conversion campaigns. This is when the engagement campaigns, once again, our beloved engagement campaigns, come into play. You see, so often people are just running campaigns to get people to buy and to buy now. And they're not always ready to buy right now. So one way to become the person they remember when it's time to buy is to consistently amplify. Use these engagement campaigns and consistently amplify valuable content to be in front of your audience on a regular basis. So what does that look like? It could be something just like this, a tip. It could be a weekly update. It could be a new blog post. It could be a video that is answering frequently asked questions. And it's something that you can simply rotate out on a regular basis. For example, we have a client, one of our biggest clients. They are huge in the DIY crafting space, right? If you go into any Michaels, any Hobby Lobby, any Joann's Fabrics, they're there. They're all over the place, right? And it's just an honor to run their traffic. But one of the things that they do, one of the things that we've done for them is we have a campaign that always runs that we're continually rotating out fresh content. It's new blog posts, it's new tutorials, and we're constantly running that traffic to their warm audience, people who already know them, people who already like them, people who already trust them. And the reason we do that is so that that group of people, that warm audience that our clients have invested in building, that we've worked hard to build out those campaigns, we rotate that out so that those people, when the time comes to purchase, will remember to purchase from our client because we've been consistently staying in front of them. They know them, they like them, they trust them, and they remember them because they're always putting good and valuable content in front of them. So it's important to make sure that you're not just thinking about being the person, being the business that people know, like, and trust, but are you the business that people know, that people like, that people trust, and that people remember when it's time to do business? If you're not following us on social, why not? For more video tips just like this, go ahead and follow us and stay tuned for the next video.